Cookie, are you alright? I see it. Okay. I saw. Will you please manifest yourself again? Oh my god. I just had a spirit visit. Or I'm having one now. I know. Come on. Come through. Come through. I'm offering you energy. I'm offering you energy. This is Chi. If you notice, my camera is trying to focus on something in the hallway. I'm sending you Reiki, a healing light, a healing energy for the highest good, whoever you are. Knock on the door if you're trying to communicate with me. I see it. Please knock on the door if you're trying to communicate with me. You stopped the clock, didn't you? You stopped my clock, didn't you? I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. I keep seeing the flashes of light. Somebody's trying to manifest. There it is. Come through. If you can't say anything, say something, because whether I can hear you or not, the recording might be able to, and I might be able to filter out later. So speak, knock, tap. Just to give you an indication, Cookie hasn't moved. I was just getting ready to mop my floors because the boys were put up the corner here last night. And I've had a feeling today that something is up. I don't know, I've had the feeling. But as I sat here, something came over me. Something's come over Cookie. She has not moved. I'm not frightened. I know that whatever spirit has come in love and is looking for help, because that's all I ever offer is love and assistance. Just knock for me. Just once. Okay. Yeah, I felt the room lighten up there. That was very strange, folks. Very, very strange.